What's up you guys, and it's BlazeTech, and welcome back to today's video. And in today's video we're going to be technically reviewing the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless headphones. And if you have not already, remember to check out last week's episode of where I did a unboxing and impressions video, and this is pretty much a follow-up a week later, and I'm gonna pretty much go over what I do like, what I don't like, and maybe some improvements, even though I'm not an audiophile guy. But I'm going to tell you what I've actually experienced within the past week about these headphones and what I do and do not like. But other than that, remember, if you have not liked this video, remember to smash like as well as subscribe to the channel if you have not already, to keep up with the channel's videos. And other than that, let's review these headphones. Right, so the Cloud 2 wireless headphones are amazing, and they're noise cancelling, and they just simply plug in like this. I can automatically hear the noise cancelling automatically go on, and this is what they look like from the sides, the rear, the other side, and this side. So the good thing is I've always had wired headphones, and I've always found it a problem because cords and everything, because I just want to get these and I want to walk around my room just like so, right, without having to actually worry about wire, because wires are annoying, right? So the good thing is that this headband here, I personally feel like it's strong, it's sturdy, and the stitching along the side, if we can get it to focus, is pretty good. And as you can see, the black and red definitely makes it a nice touch. And if we look on the sides, we can see the Hyper Cloud 2 logo there, and there's like standard stuff like left side, right side, but other than that, nothing super fancy. And if we look on the bottom, as you can see, we got the volume controller right there, and on the other side we have a power controller so you can turn it off and on, and you have a microphone controller where you can turn that off and on. And for the charging, it takes a USB-C, and you can just simply plug this into your either computer or laptop, or if you have a block that supports a USB 3.0, you can plug in there, and you can plug in the wall and plug the other USB-C into this end. And other than that, with the battery life, so I've actually timed it, and as you can see on my phone, if it's going to focus, as you can see on the timer, we got 28 hours and 17 minutes, and this was for the duration of the actual headphones being out of charge mode and just using them wirelessly. Now, the reason I got 28 hours instead of 30 hours is because a couple of times when I was using my headphones, I didn't actually put on the timer, so you actually do get close to 29 to 30 hours. Like the box says, up to 30 hours of battery life. And well, as you can see, I got 28 hours and 17 minutes, which is extremely close to that 30-hour point. Now, if we actually go to charging, unfortunately it's not focusing, but the charge time was 3 hours and 27 minutes and 36 seconds. So probably just under 4 hours of charging, I got a full charge, and I simply just plugged it in my computer up here, and then I just plugged it in and let it sit. So the good thing is about wireless charging, it doesn't take too long. However, during that time, due to the cable that they actually give you, which is a 3.0 to a 3.0 to a USB-C, and unfortunately it's about that big. So if you're connecting it to something like your either laptop or your PC or your keyboard or something like that, or like a dongle or something like that, you can't really use it because it's so short. But then at the same time, if you do decide to actually get a longer cable, such as this one here, which is a USB-C cable, and it's about like probably half a meter long maybe, and you can actually use the headphones. But the problem with using the headphones while charging it is that I found that it takes dramatically longer, and by dramatically longer I did not time this, however it seems to double or triple in time wise. Compared to 4 hours, you're charging it actually for like 8 to probably 12 hours, and it takes a very long time. So that's why I prefer to just let it sit, let it charge, let it do its thing, and then after about 4 hours or 3.5 to 4 hours, then fully charged, 29 to 30 hours easily. What actually happens is when you're headphones are flat, it flashes a red color, or if it's low battery. Also, when your headphones are charging, they will pulsate a green neon color and just like a breathing type of effect while it is charging. After your headphones are 100% fully charged, they will go from a pulsating, breathing neon green to a full, just solid color of green, and this is about 4 hours or 3.5 hours of charging time to get a full battery. So then, I've used this personally for gaming, and for gaming it's pretty good. I do enjoy it thoroughly, and like I've encountered no issues. I've not gone into like dead spots or anything, or wherever Bluetooth randomly cuts out or anything. And as for things like, you know, like standard stuff like music, watching movies, gaming, I'm not an audiophile, so audiophiles don't come attack me, but I thoroughly enjoy these because I've had no problems. I like the bass. I'm not really a bass dude. I used to be, but not anymore. And I can hear the bass clearly on everything. Then gun sounds, footsteps on games, for example. Then like listening to, let's say, I don't know, Squid Game or something. Squid Game comes out totally fine, even though it's dubbed in English and it's not really accurate. Listening to everything, it's totally okay with music, the voices, the other sound effects and visual effects, etc. Totally fine, and I'm genuinely happy with these headphones, especially like 30 hours of battery life, because it's long. You know, it probably take you up to 2-3 days, depending on how long you actually use your computer, to actually like drain the full battery. But I think 4 hours of charge for a 30-hour battery life is not too bad. But other than that, if you guys got any more questions about the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless headphones, and if you guys want to pick them up, I have got a link for them down in the description below. It helps me out if you do check it out. It's an Amazon affiliate link, and if you grab it, yes, I get a commission, but it's only a few cents. However, those few cents can be reinvested back into the channel, so you can get more headphones or unboxing reviews or some stuff like that, so it's pretty cool. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, if you have not already, like the video as well as subscribe to the channel. And this is BlazeTech, I'm out. I'll see you guys next time. And if you guys want any questions about these, feel free to comment down below. And if you got any video suggestions, also comment down below, because I love video suggestions. But other than that, I will see you guys next time.